Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. She's got her sombrero on, so that can only mean one thing. It's Taco Tuesday. So we're heading out to the lake for Appies with Chappie by the lake to have some tacos. Check it out.
Appies with Chappie by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake, special Taco Tuesday edition. Today for our appetizer, we're going to make a cheeseburger taco. First up, we're going to make a drink. This is called a Puka Punch. So I got my tiki mug full of ice, and we'll start out with an ounce of freshly squeezed lime, 3/4 ounces of OJ, and then 3/4 ounces of pineapple, and then 1 ounce of honey syrup. This is just a simple syrup that I infused with honey. And then 3/4 ounces of passion fruit syrup. This is BJ Reynolds handcrafted passion fruit syrup I'm using today. And a 1/2 ounce of falernum. And I'm using 3 kinds of rum today. So we got a little bit of lemon, heart, and sun. I got my favorite Sailor Jerry spiced rum. And then I just got some Krizan white rum. Now, if you want to go for a 4th rum, you can do a dark rum floater. I don't have any dark rum on hand, but I'm going to top it off with a little Angostura bitters. And then I got a lovely disheveled umbrella as a garnish. And that's a Puka Punch. So I'm going to go check on my burger on the grill. And I'm going to put together my cheeseburger taco. And we'll be back by the lake for the money shot. So check it out. Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.